Welcome to Daily Tax Savings. This is Tony Novak to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is pay zero to IRS. So let's jump right in. Today's episode is actually inspired by conversation by other CPAs criticizing the online marketing of headlines like pay no taxes, pay nothing to IRS. And I think that my audience, any general audience, is smart enough to know that that is hyped up marketing. My concern is that other CPAs are disregarding the fact that it is actually very easy and extremely commonplace to pay zero to IRS. And to not recognize that, I think, is somewhat elitist or not recognizing what happens in real working class America. So, how do you pay zero to IRS? How do many people pay zero to IRS? It is really simple. The standard deduction for a family is $30,000. That means if you have less than $30,000 taxable income, you pay zero to IRS. How many is that? It's about 1 in 5 American households pay zero to the IRS. Well, you say, okay, well, this show is targets middle income people and and not necessarily people in poverty zone. Well, how can you be a middle class American and pay zero to IRS? Again, really, really simple. Your taxable income is 30,000 or less, and the rest of your living expenses are paid by borrowed funds. If you're in the real estate business, if you're in farming business, you have many types of business that are increasing their debt load each year enough to cover the living expenses of the owner. I see it constantly in small business operations, and to just deny that that exists is simply foolish on the account of CPAs. It's not unethical. It's not nothing wrong. It's completely legal. And in fact, it's the reality of how a significant number of small businesses, especially rural small businesses, actually live. We'd love to hear your thoughts, comments, feedback on paying nothing to IRS, or if you want to talk one-on-one, I'm available for that too at taxproblems.cpa. I'll be back tomorrow with